Hi, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Marketing Luxury. I'm a top luxury agent here in the Chicagoland market. In this video, we're going to talk about you as a homeowner, as a seller, as a buyer, having an agent, working with an agent that has empathy and understands the stress and everything that you're going through. You know, recently my wife and I put our house on the market. It's been first time in 16 and a half years. We've been in the same house for 16 and a half years. And with 3 kids and 2 COVID puppies, I really became even more empathetic than I think I was, and really sensitive to all that goes into selling a home, getting a home prepared for a showing, gathering feedback, agents not leaving cards, agents not giving feedback. It could be very frustrating. Of course, as a licensed agent, I had to disclose that I was selling my own home, and you would think real estate agents would be even more sympathetic and even more responsive to gather feedback, and guess what? They weren't. So not all agents are created the same. So again, check out LuxeChicagolandHomes.com. We have reviews there. You can watch our previous videos that we've created. We put together some amazing properties. So if you know of anybody that's thinking about buying, or they are selling and they need a second opinion, or you are thinking about buying or selling, or you're just curious to see what your home is worth, contact me. My contact information is below. If you have any questions about real estate, please reach out to me. Michael LaFido. Keep raising the bar in whatever it is you do. Talk to you soon.